Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joanna Brzezińska. Welcome to a new episode of FM News TV. Today, you will see, among others, the making of and a report on the official launch of the catalogue number 32. Sebastian Kowalczyk, FM Mobile General Director, will talk about new solutions in the FM cashback offer. On the 14th of March, in the FM World headquarters in Wrocław, there was an official launch of the FM World Product Catalogue number 32. Each premiere of a new catalogue is a long-awaited event for the FM World partners and brings together a wealth of people from different parts of the world. Operating in a responsible way with respect to the health and safety of our business partners, we are offering you a catalogue premiere in a different, innovative form, with the use of several new elements. Today's FM News TV episode will be entirely devoted to this event. Have a look behind the scenes of its production.
Już podczas realizacji przygotowań do premiery 30.
News about the epidemic you all got too hit us already during the preparations for the gala with the official launch of the catalogue number 32 and forced us to change not only our lives but also our message to you. For this reason, we decided to produce the premiere as a TV show, allowing you to watch everything that is important safely at home. The most important thing for us was to preserve the gala spirit of the premiere so that you didn't feel like watching a PowerPoint presentation, but as if you were really participating in this amazing event. That's why we didn't repeat filming of scenes. So even if speakers or hosts slipped up, we kept it the way it was, so that you know what really happened here, that we prepared all of it for you and we all imagined you were there with us, sitting in the audience.
The official launch of the FM World Catalogue number 32 was divided into two parts. In the first one, of a business nature, we presented new services in the FM Mobile and FM Lex offers, and shared information about all current FM Academy projects. The second part was entirely devoted to new products, about which Klaudia Niemira, our clinical nutritionist, and Balbina Martini, product promotion and product training manager, spoke in detail.
We respond to a changing situation in the world, so the official launch of the catalogue number 32 was carried out in a different, changed format. However, it is a modern format, allowing you to participate in the event, taking into account the way work is organized these days. Of course, we regret that you were not with us then and there, but I hope we managed to convey all the emotions connected to our new products and all information about them. Catalogue number 32 brings as many as 91 new products, exceptional products, in altered forms and formulas, or completely new items which haven't appeared in our catalogue yet. Surely there is something for everyone. This catalogue is home to an array of skincare and interior design products. And of course the most important, iconic to our company, fragrances. We are constantly developing the Pure Royal category. We added more new fragrances to the collection and enriched it with a beautiful new unique perfume bottle, which was also presented during the premiere. A beautiful short film about the whole Pure Royal collection was also publicly presented, showing the new perfume bottle and of course new perfumes, new fragrances that will lead you through the alleys of a secret garden. And the secret garden was the main theme of the official launch of the catalogue number 32. The secret garden is the main theme of the whole catalogue launch. Seeking out ideas for this premiere took us a good few weeks, if not months. We wanted to take participants of this event to various corners of the world, to open secret doors, to discover secret recipes and magic ingredients. The venue decor and all the decorations referred to the secret garden, which was visible everywhere as the main theme of the event. And speaking of the secret garden concept, we need not forget about scents. Perfume was at the heart of this catalogue launch, not only our new fragrances in the Pure Royal product line, but also home scents, new fragrance products for home. First and foremost, the luxurious scented candles Outique with your favorite fragrances Flamingo, Violet Oud and Black. But there are also new fragrances in light forms, such as Pure Royal perfume sticks and fragrance mists. So perfume has really accompanied us throughout the whole event. FM World is perfume. Our company is mainly known for its unique fragrances enclosed in beautiful, refined bottles.
W przepięknych, oryginalnych flakonach.
FM Mobile constantly delivers the best and innovative mobile communication and internet solutions. One of them is the FM cashback offer, which has already been present on the market for 2 years. More about this offer you will hear from the FM Mobile General Director, Sebastian Kowalczyk.
Minęły właśnie 2 lata, od kiedy wdrożyliśmy ofertę FM Cashback dla
It has been 2 years since we implemented the FM cashback offer for our business partners. During those 2 years, we gained a lot of experience and received a very positive feedback from our partners practically every day.
Oferta FM Cashback spodobała
We
się.
know that our business partners welcomed the FM cashback offer, and 5.4 million PLN was transferred back to them in the last couple of years.
Ta
This
oferta
offer received a very positive response, and we see that cashback is growing.
że się rozwija.
First of all, because the monthly gains are increasing.
Są coraz to większe. Pamiętam, z jaką
I
niecierpliwością
remember how impatiently we waited for the first million. We waited quite long to achieve it.
kilka miesięcy. Więc ta oferta
Now, in fact, we have an increase of 1 million in cashback in just a few months.
bardzo mocno też działa na
So this offer has been very positively assessed by many of you.
się w ofertę cashbackową. Bardzo
It
szybko
also has a very strong impact on your structures.
proszę pamiętać, że
We can see that some structures, since the moment they involved in the cashback offer,
widzimy, jak bardzo
have started to grow very quickly and, most importantly, gained stability. Please note that 87% of cashback money is
Mam nadzieję,
spent
że oferta cashbackowa
within
będzie rozwijać
30
się
days from the date they are credited to one's account.
Państwo będziecie mogli korzystać z tego, co ta oferta przede wszystkim daje.
That's all we prepared for you in today's episode. The next one will be entirely devoted to our Pure Royal product collection. Thank you for watching us and see you very soon.